Most people don't wake up and say, yeah, today feels like a Minnesota LLC kind of day. What actually happens is this: you're building something real, maybe a consulting business, a tech startup, an agency, and you want a state that's stable, respected, and doesn't nickel and dime you forever. And that's usually when Minnesota enters the conversation. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to start an LLC in Minnesota, how the process actually works, what it costs up front, what it costs long term, and why Minnesota quietly works really well for founders who care about credibility and simplicity. And stick around, because there's one ongoing requirement people misunderstand all the time, and it's way easier than it sounds once you see how it works. If you're new here, hey, I'm Bobby Casey, founder of Business Anywhere. I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs, including remote founders and international business owners, set up U.S. companies the right way. Minnesota comes up a lot more than people expect, especially around the Midwest startup scene. All right, let's talk about it. So why Minnesota? Minnesota has a reputation for being steady, reliable, and well-organized. And honestly, that carries over into how the state handles LLCs. You've got the Minneapolis-St. Paul startup ecosystem, strong corporate presence, and good credibility with banks and partners. It's not flashy, but it's respected. The formation process is clean, everything is online, and while the upfront cost isn't the cheapest, the ongoing maintenance is refreshingly reasonable. Before anything else, you'll need a business name. In Minnesota, your LLC name has to be unique in the state and include LLC, LLC, or limited liability company. You'll want to run a quick search through Minnesota's business name database to make sure your name is available. It's fast, and it avoids unnecessary delays. And real quick, this is a good moment to think about branding too. Domains, social handles, future expansion. A little foresight here saves a lot of cleanup later. Next, let's talk about your registered agent. Minnesota requires every LLC to have a registered agent with a physical street address in the state. This is who receives legal notices and official state mail for your business. If you live in Minnesota, you can be your own registered agent. Just keep in mind, your address becomes public record, and you're expected to be available during business hours. That's why many founders, especially remote or out-of-state ones, choose a professional registered agent service. It keeps things private and ensures nothing important gets missed. All right, now we get to the part where your LLC actually becomes official. To form your Minnesota LLC, you'll file articles of organization with the Minnesota Secretary of State. The filing is done online, and the online filing fee is $155. If you file by mail, it's slightly cheaper, but online is faster and easier for most people. You'll include your LLC name, registered agent information, business address, and management structure. Once it's approved, your Minnesota LLC officially exists. Now let's pause for a second and talk about your operating agreement. Minnesota doesn't legally require one, but skipping it is still risky. An operating agreement explains how your LLC works: ownership, decision-making, profit distribution, and what happens if someone leaves the business. Even if you're a solo founder, this document helps prove that your LLC is a real, separate legal entity. Banks and payment processors often expect it, even if the state doesn't. Next up, you'll want to get your EIN or employer identification number. This is your LLC's federal tax ID. You'll need it to open a U.S. business bank account, hire employees, get paid by clients, and file federal taxes. The good news, it's completely free, and you can get it directly from the IRS online in just a few minutes. Now let's talk taxes and licenses, because this part depends on what your business actually does. If your LLC sells products, has employees, or collects sales tax, you'll need to register with the Minnesota Department of Revenue. Minnesota doesn't have a general statewide business license, which simplifies things, but certain industries and cities may have additional requirements, so it's always smart to double-check based on your situation. Here's the part people get wrong: Minnesota's ongoing requirement. Minnesota requires an annual renewal, but there's no fee to file it. That's right, no annual report fee. You just need to confirm your information with the state every year by December 31st. As long as you file that renewal on time, your LLC stays in good standing. Miss it though, and your LLC can fall out of active status. So it's important, even if it's free. So let's zoom out for a second. To start and maintain a Minnesota LLC, you'll choose a name, appoint a registered agent, file your articles of organization, create an operating agreement, get your EIN, register for taxes if needed, and file a free annual renewal each year. Not complicated, not expensive long-term, very manageable. One last thing before we wrap up. Minnesota is one of those states where the process feels clean, But mistakes still happen, usually around registered agents or missed renewals. That's why at Business Anywhere, we'll form your Minnesota LLC for free. You only pay the $155 state filing fee. We also include your first year of registered agent service at no extra cost and help you stay on top of compliance. If you want to skip the paperwork and keep things simple, check out the link in the description. All right, now I'm curious. Are you looking at Minnesota specifically or comparing a few Midwest states right now? Drop a comment and let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.